Hi guys, today we are going to break down what we should be anticipating on gold next week. So it is very amazing. So you have to pay attention and understand and know whether this thing I'm going to talk is going to play out or not. So now I am in 1 month time frame on gold. And if you can look at it very well, you will see that gold has been on all-time high. It has been trending all-time high for a long period of time now. So now, if you look at it very well, you will observe something. There is a rejection on a month candlestick. There is a rejection, rejecting the price from the most all-time high. Then if you look at it very well, you will see that the market will keep rejecting from this zone. This is the first candle that the market rejected to this zone, and the second candle, this is monthly candlestick, and the second candle the market rejected it again to this zone. Look at remaining 5 days to go. What do you think? Do you think that this market now in this one candlestick, one month candlestick, will go up again or not? Use yourself and judge it. There's a two rejection. This is the first rejection, and this is the second rejection, telling you that there is something that is about to happen. So what we are going to do now is to go to smaller time frame. Just look at now. If you look at what is going on here, this is where the market has been trending from here to here. You get the market broke this resistance here, and from there it keeps on going up to this place. So now, what do you think? What that should be on your mind now is that if there is a pull up from here to this point, look at what happened here. At least we used to pull up, then reject, pull up, reject, pull up, reject. Then when there is a consolidation, we had a flat consolidation here. So which is a consolidation like a triangle. Then when it broke up, then we moved straight to here without any pullback. Then when the market started rejecting from here, we had this sold off to this point. Then when the market wanted to move up again with this kind of small rejection here, showing that the market is about to turn, it went up to some point here and what? Reject again. What is he now telling you? And again, you see another red coming up here. What is he not telling you? He's not telling you that I supposed to continue going up, but I don't have any strength again. Do you get now? They don't have any strength. This is weekly candlestick, and this candle will close like this. What do you expect again? So since this candle rejected from here, this candle is supposed to cover up if that this market has strength to continue going up. But no, it turned out to sell and close with this structure. What are you expecting in this? This 1 week alone is not telling you that we are now changing the move of this market. Despite that the market moved from here straight to this point and start rejecting from here, we are going to expect a rejection back to this zone. Even when the market started from here, it's supposed to continue up, but no, it rejected back and started shrinking again. So what we are going to expect is for next candle to open, retest small up, then continue going down. Then we are going to at least see a candle to move from here to this zone, like this zone again, or even break it, because this is a sign of weakness alone. This is a sign of weakness. So now let's go back to let's go to 1 day. Look at 1 day. What are you seeing? If you measure from here to here with your fib zone, you will get something that is very, very good. Measure from here to here with your fib zone. This market is retesting on what? 618. Then it retested on 618 and it turns down, like turn back immediately. Remember, this 618 is not a good resistance zone. So this 618 now that the markets come pull up, remember there is a minor zone break here, then we're supposed to apply a fib. Even there is another minor zone break here that made us to apply this fib. Then a fib, you must apply fib when there's a minor zone break. So that made us to apply fib. And if you look at the market move back to this zone, it moves back to this zone. Let me change this color. Move back to this zone. As it moves back to this zone, we can count this thing as a number, like like I should not say it a flat, because this thing did not break below. So we just count it A, B, C pullback. A, B, C pullback, this zone here. So then we did pull back to this zone. Then we are expecting a zone to, like we are expecting a move from here to come below this zone. You get now. So now, outside this, we see that the market broke a minor trend here. But what happened here is that the market is trying to change the minor trend. So what we are going to get here is the market will now start from here, start selling to this 0.00, which is 100% retracement. So the market will sell from here to here. So then even sometimes, like if this impulse is real, if this wave that happened here is normal wave, we should expect a longer wave maybe to this point. If it is normal wave, we should expect a longer wave maybe to this area. Maybe from this area it retraces back again, then complete to this point. So that is what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. But I should not just conclude, because there's a way market moves. It will just still come back to this zone, maybe break above or retest on this EMA to continue up. But I know that there are going to be a sell. Yeah, there are going to be a sell in this market as it is now. So now, next thing is, let's go to 4 hours. Let's conclude our analysis. So if you look at here now, if you see that there is a structure manipulated here, because we don't count this one. This one is not our main thing to count. So but we count, let me show you. This one is not our main thing. This is a trend line to this point. Then we don't count anything here. See what we are talking here. There is a structure. There's a structure that was taken out at this zone. If you look at market moves, take that minor structure, then come and take out the major structure. But look at what happened. The time that the market take out this major structure, it created another structure here that makes it to move up to this zone and retest on it. They are now coming down and now break. They now come down and break this structure. The time it breaks this structure, the market now come back to this trend line, and this trend line is supposed to pull the market up. But what are we seeing now? We are seeing that this trend line was not able, I mean to say, to pull this market up again. You get? We are saying that this trend line now was not able to pull the market up. Now if you look at what I'm going to show you now, a confluences, we see that 1 day is in downtrend, a monthly rejected, which the time is going low. it cannot go up again. It is going to continue rejecting down. You get. Then weekly is proceeding to downtrend, like it is moving to downtrend, because all the factors there now is showing a downtrend. You get, because though we've not confirmed downtrend yet, because it's supposed to come and break below down, then retest to continue down. But now but all the factors there is now showing a downtrend things. So now if you now come to this 4 hour 1 day, now 1 day is purely a downtrend, like a downtrend. You got bam. 1 day is showing a downtrend normally, which is proceeding to downtrend, or normally 1 day is showing a downtrend. So now when you come back to 4 hours, now you can see that there is a resistance here, you get, at this point, and this market failed to push up again. As this market touched this trend line, that's supposed to push it up again. And even not only that trend line, there is a support zone at this zone, but the support zone is failing. It's failing. What is it now telling you? What this thing is now telling you is that this support zone cannot be able to push the market up. That we need to go down. And if you look at it very well, you see there is another minor support developed from the 4 hour candlestick, which chart pattern, like here, which is this now. Do you get it now? This 4 hours developed here is what we are going to use and look at what we are going to do tomorrow or Monday when the market open. So if there is a break up here, that means we should just look at market buying to this zone, you get. But if there is the market keep on being below this zone, we are thinking that market is going to sell. But if you ask me which one am I going to favor, or which one am I going to move on to look at or follow, I will tell you that I'm going to follow downtrend. Do you know the reason why I'm going to follow downtrend? Because if you look at the EMA of 4 hours, the EMA is counting down. We are going to see something like this in that EMA. Let me show you. We are going to see something like this in that EMA. Maybe something, this market will move, this EMA will curve and come down. This market will just move, because if you look at here, something like that happen here like this, you get. So the market now moved up. The EMA just moved up like this now. It's about to just curve. If you see the EMA like this now, move down like this, it's about to go to what? To curve up. That's why you see this curve up here. But the EMA now move up here now. It's about to just curve down. You get now. So you understand what I'm saying. So that means I am expecting markets to continue down. So that this EMA will now curve down. You get. Do you really understand where I'm going? If you go back, let me show you something. Anytime you see that EMA curve, if you look at here, the EMA from here curve down, then when the market broke above, it curve up again. So then when the EMA curve down again, you get, it was curving small down until you see that there is a contraction here. There's a contraction here. Then you can see that the EMA now curve up again, then making this move potentially like very very momentum. Do you get? So now, but you can see that this market now curved up again. As it curves up again, this EMA, I mean to say, we are expecting the EMA to curve down again, like curve down to this, following the structure that I'm saying. So I am expecting that the market come back when the market open, maybe come back to this zone. Then as it's come back to this zone, maybe retest on this EMA again, then so maybe sell to and break this level. Because if it breaks this trend line, it is going to break this level. And it is, if it break this level, if it break this level, if this market dare break this level, you get now, if it break this level, we are going to see a very drastic sell to this point. You get, We are going to see a drastic sell to this point, maybe sell to this point. Then we are going to see maybe move down bridge to complete A, maybe to complete A, then B, then C wave in higher time frame. So I don't know what you think about this analysis. Then if you have any opinion or any other thing you're supposed to say about this analysis, just say it on comment section. And thank you, and remain blessed. This is for financial. You also make your own this thing, so that I cannot be in a war with you. So it is, I just bring my own suggestion in the market, especially good. And please, if you want this kind of video every time or every time you need it, just subscribe and let me know. I will just do that. I'll continue breaking other currency down for you. Thank you.